Hey guys, Stan Dale, President of Florida Suncoast. Hope you're well. Hey, this is just a quick addendum video to video number one. Just want to make sure that we get most of our calendar for the next week or two up on the schedule for you. Coming up this coming Thursday is the FSC ZSCCA luncheon in Sarasota. So check that out if you haven't been. I'm going to try to squeeze that in. I don't know if I can make it or not, but haven't done this event yet, so it's on my bucket list. So I want to try to get that done. And then next Saturday is Cars and Coffee in Fort Myers and the charity poker run. If you see the next video, you'll get all the information on that, and you can go to our website and do that as well. Everybody's invited. Don't get excited. It's not a race. It is just going to be a nice, relaxed drive. But for a really good event. And then we'll go to some really cool place to have some lunch. And then the following Thursday is the Panama City dinner, Thursday evening. And then the following Saturday, I think that's the 27th, the Panama City Cars and Coffee will take place, as will the FSC ZSCCA breakfast in Bradenton at the Skillets on the 27th. You can look further down the calendar. I will point out one thing, just be aware, the July 3rd Cars and Coffee at the BMW Sarasota, that event has been canceled. So we know that's a hectic weekend and a lot of things going on, and everybody's got other things to do. So that event, we've sort of scratched off our calendar. We'll do some other things as we get closer to it and do that. But I just wanted to pop this in right quick and make sure everybody saw all the other things that are on the calendar. Go ahead and look into July, August, September, all things coming up. So enjoy that time. And as always, happy motoring, y'all.